Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be freaking exciting. We're gonna be doing some night shots, trying to do some rollers, maybe make a little cinematic videos. I got my boy with me, Rene, and I got to show you his new wrap. It looks insane. And my girl B, we're gonna be doing some stuff with the F10, so this thing's gonna be exciting. Let's get into today.
All right, guys, so if you don't know me by now, I'm Rene. I wrap cars, Fresno, California. So today I want to show you guys my new Enoza Tech wrap, Pearl Crystal Blue. Check it out, guys.
This thing's insane. This is the main reason why we're coming out tonight. This thing is insane. Insane. So all you can do is just stare at it. Ooh. And my girl right here chilling. Jeez, say what's up to the vlog. Dang it. All right, we're gonna get some shots of your car too today. You guys already know. We got the M5 front end on this one. You guys have no idea what's coming for this. So yeah, Beamers are ganging up on me today on that little AMG. Sheesh. And we're pulling up to the gas station right now, getting ready for tonight's video. Shoo! But look how saucy we be looking out here. This is a lineup. Jesus. Look at that. Yeah, shoo! Look at you looking all fly in the whip. Hey, killing them. Rolling all big body foreigns. Jeez! Y'all already know we gotta fill up, so we on E though.
Is this one too vulgar? Or is that?
Is it the suck? Is it? Yes. Yes.
Oh, you stuck on the
Yeah. There we go. E85 pumping in. Sheesh. Shoo. So yeah, so right now we're gonna be heading down to Fulton so we can go get some shots. That's kind of our downtown here in Fresno. It's one of the streets. And yeah, we're gonna be doing some rollers, at least attempts, okay? So don't make fun of my cinematics first time trying. right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed my attempt of cinematic with our foreign whips, you know. So let me know in the comments though, what do you guys think about that Inozatech wrap that Rene has? I think that thing's beautiful. Also, definitely stay tuned for the upcoming videos for B's car. We have a lot of stuff in the cart that's getting ordered right now. It's gonna change the game with her car. I cannot wait. It's going wrap, you know what I mean? We already discussed that before, and it's gonna look a lot different, let's put it that way. So stay tuned for that. And guess what? Me and Rene, where'd you go, Rene? Oh. Me and Rene are going to be getting down on wrapping my car. We just haven't figured out the exact color yet, but we've narrowed it down to 2. So maybe I'll put up a poll, maybe not. I don't know yet, we'll see. Hit me up in the comments if you guys want to find out, you know, and let me know. Maybe DM me on Instagram, I'll put it right here. This is my Instagram, Life of Frankie. And also, Rene, you want to drop your Instagram right here, right at the bottom?
Yeah, you can. I'll drop my Instagram right here. I'll link up the shop I work for, Unleashed Motorsports Fresno. Give us a follow and then show me love.
There you go, there you go. You guys heard it first right here. So definitely stay tuned for the next one. But looks like I'm freezing, and so we out of here. Yo!